Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I am here to talk about our Environment Day, and I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. Every year since 1974, June 5th has been celebrated as World Environment Day. We celebrate this day to remind everyone about nature, the importance of trees, and the need for fresh air in this age of increasing environmental pollution. There are not enough trees on earth to dry out the deadly carbon dioxide that vehicles and industries are throwing into the atmosphere. Holes fell in the ozone layer of the atmosphere. Strong ultraviolet rays began to reach the earth. Scorching heat and heavy rain have become a part of the climate of Kerala. Climate change, global warming, flood, and storm have severely affected human life. Do not cut down trees. Do not build building on large hills. Do not burn unwanted plastic items and do not pollute the atmosphere. We need to plant more and more trees and stop cutting down the forest. During this time of corona, we knew the price of oxygen and for so long we just did not realize it. Still, try to make everyone understand it. That way, we can protect the earth and its creatures through environmental protection. Each of us can live without hurting the earth. Love and protect nature. All we have to do on this day is plant trees in houses and along the roadside. Let us all pledge to save environment and keep it clean and healthy. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.